Hi guys, today I'm going to show you kind of a newer technique. I'm a big fan of Sculptra on the temples, but what I've really liked recently is using Restylane Defyne and Restylane Refyne, these newer generation flexible gel fillers from Galderma, in the temples as well. What are some of the benefits? One of the biggest benefits is with Sculptra, it takes a little while to see the results. With Restylane Refyne or Defyne in the temples, you see the results immediately. So one of the nice things with this technique, I'm using Restylane Defyne here, and I've actually diluted it with 1 cc of lidocaine and 1 cc of saline, 1 cc of 1% lidocaine and 1 cc bacteriostatic saline, and I'm able to fill the brow, the temple, and I'm also treating the hairline.